Ever wondered if your favorite celebrity chef's recipes are truly original? A small magazine stumbled upon a hidden culinary secret that sheds light on this question. During an archive organization, the editorial team discovered an unpublished, handwritten cookbook containing an extraordinary recipe. Shockingly, the same recipe was included in a famous chef's best-selling cookbook as a personal creation. As the team delved deeper, they uncovered an intricate web of deception revolving around the chef's curated image. The tension mounts as they weigh the ethical dilemma of whether revealing this information would preserve culinary integrity or damage a beloved public persona.